Looking for the best extra virgin olive oils in 2026? In this video, we review the top-rated EVOO brands known for rich flavor, purity, health benefits, and premium cold-press quality. Whether you need olive oil for cooking, salads, dipping, or a healthier lifestyle, we've tested the best options available this year. Stay tuned as we compare taste, freshness, packaging, and value to help you choose the perfect extra virgin olive oil for your kitchen. Number 3. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil is a dependable everyday olive oil that combines quality, versatility, and great value in one large bottle. Sourced from select Mediterranean olive groves, this extra virgin olive oil is cold-pressed and tested to meet International Olive Council standards, giving home cooks confidence in its authenticity and quality. One of the best features of this olive oil is its balanced flavor profile. It has a smooth, mild taste with light fruity notes and a subtle peppery finish that works well in a wide variety of dishes. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, roasting chicken, baking, preparing pasta, or making homemade salad dressings, this oil adds a clean Mediterranean flavor without overpowering the meal. The oil also performs very well as an everyday cooking staple. Its versatility makes it suitable for both high-use cooking tasks and finishing dishes with a light drizzle. The large 33.8 fluid ounce glass bottle offers good value for frequent home cooks, while helping preserve the freshness and quality of the oil over time. Another advantage is the overall simplicity and reliability of the product. Whole Foods Market's 365 brand focuses on straightforward ingredients and dependable quality, making this EVOO a practical pantry essential for many households. Customer reviews are very positive. One user called it an essential cooking favorite that works well in many recipes and appreciated the convenient glass bottle packaging. Another reviewer praised the smooth, well-balanced flavor and described it as a budget-friendly option that delivers authentic Mediterranean taste for everyday meals. Overall, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Mediterranean Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a solid everyday EVOO that offers smooth flavor, reliable quality, and excellent versatility at a reasonable price point. Number 2. The Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a versatile and affordable cooking oil designed for everyday kitchen use. Made from first cold-pressed olives, this extra virgin olive oil delivers a smooth, delicate flavor that works well in a wide variety of recipes without overpowering your food. One of the biggest highlights of this EVOO is its balanced taste. Unlike stronger olive oils that can sometimes taste bitter or overly bold, Pompeian Smooth EVOO has a lighter flavor profile that makes it ideal for sautéing, stir-frying, roasting vegetables, baking, salads, and marinades. Whether you're cooking weeknight dinners or preparing healthier homemade meals, this oil blends naturally into almost any recipe. Pompeian also emphasizes quality and authenticity. The oil is crafted by a family of olive farmers and is certified authentic by the North American Olive Oil Association, giving buyers extra confidence in the product. It also contains naturally occurring polyphenol and is non-GMO project verified, gluten-free, kosher, and non-allergenic, making it suitable for a variety of dietary preferences. Another advantage is the large 68 fluid ounce bottle, which offers excellent value for families or anyone who cooks frequently. The bottle is designed for easy pouring, helping reduce spills and mess in the kitchen. Customer feedback is very positive. One user praised the smooth and mild flavor, saying it works perfectly for cooking, salads, and marinades while offering excellent quality for the price. Another reviewer simply described it as a great product with a nice taste and strong value for the money. Overall, the Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a dependable everyday EVOO that combines smooth flavor, quality ingredients, and excellent value, making it a smart addition to any kitchen. Number 1. The Atlas 750 milliliters Organic Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil delivers a premium experience that instantly stands out from ordinary grocery store olive oils. Sourced from a single-family farm in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco, This organic EVOO is cold-pressed, unprocessed, and naturally rich in antioxidants and polyphenol, making it an excellent choice for both flavor and health-conscious cooking. From the moment you open the elegant glass bottle, the fresh aroma is impressive. You'll notice delicate notes of almonds, herbs, bananas, lemon, and basil that create a refined and complex scent profile. The flavor is equally satisfying with a smooth, fruity taste balanced by a light peppery finish that signals freshness and high polyphenol content. It works beautifully for salads, bread dipping, roasted vegetables, grilled meats, and even desserts. One of the biggest highlights is its purity. This olive oil is 100% organic with no added chemicals or harmful ingredients, giving users confidence in its authenticity and quality. Many buyers also appreciate its digestibility and wellness benefits, with some even using it daily as part of a healthy lifestyle routine. Trusted by award-winning chefs and luxury restaurants, Atlas Moroccan EVOO combines exceptional taste, sustainable production, and premium quality in every bottle. If you want authentic extra virgin olive oil with rich flavor and impressive freshness, this one is absolutely worth trying in 2026. Thanks for watching our best extra virgin olive oils review in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect EVOO for healthier cooking, delicious meals, and everyday kitchen use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite olive oil brand in 2026. See you in the